morning. I'm Epstein, and here we are on Monday, the 4th of March, 2024, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. There are no major U.S. economic data reports due out today. However, it's a big week. We get 2 days of testimony by Fed Chair Powell in front of Congress, the Senate, and the House. We have the European Central Bank monetary policy. We're going to get a lot of data on jobs. We get the typical ADP, the Challenger Gray, and Friday we're going to get the jobs report. So all this comes together. Now we start getting busy. The charts have been drifting. It's been a very difficult, if you're a chartist, these charts right now are doing one of these type of walks in the market. They're marking time as now the next set of data comes in. Will the jobs numbers be as strong as they were last time? Was that a one-off and the market starts seeing weakness? That's going to be important. What's the Fed's thought on the market? Where do they think the economy is? And we're going to get a series of dot plots coming up here in the meeting that's coming up. So, lot to do finally. And it's like I just feel that this market has been dominated, as you do, by tech stocks. It's just been basically a runaway with them. So what do I do in a market like this? The hardest thing to do is put your hands in your pocket and you wait for your opportunities. And that's exactly what I've been doing with my clients. I think the last trades that I put out in the market were Tuesday. So it's been in business days now, the fifth day. I expect that I'll be getting trades off again. That's rare. Normally you have something to do in the futures. I've had plenty to do in the Spider ETF. There it's almost constant. It just, the setups aren't here right now. They come. And remember, I'm covering all these markets, the indices, the metal markets, the currency markets. Bitcoin's been in a tear to the upside, new all-time highs, mentioned that to you. Energy markets. Now, OPEC came out today, definite statements. They're holding their production where they were. And that looks like a hold right into the June time frame. In the grain markets, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here that's finally coming alive. It's more short covering from the looks of it than anything else. Down a bit more in the cotton as people are thinking acreage is moving from the bean area into the cotton market because of pricing, and pretty stable here in the Brent at the $83 mark. So things to watch. No Israel. Hamas deal that I'm aware of. Israel agreed to terms. Hamas did not deliver a list of hostages they're holding or how many prisoners they want for each hostage they'll release. I would hate to think that none of the hostages are alive. That would be terrible. And could that be why they're not delivering a list of living hostages? I don't know. But we'll find out. But each day that goes by, Ramadan's getting closer, and Israel said it's going to keep attacking. So we'll see where that goes. This is the kind of market and the kind of day where I turn to pivot points. Because what a pivot point does is it gives you a center line. You probably have this on your charting software. Many of you don't know how to work with it. And it's a formula that's already done for you. You're looking for resistance and support points on a market. You take the formula, you're dividing it up, and what happens is you'll get a center line with resistance, which are sell points above the market, buy points below the market. I created a video series for you that shows just how to work with this with momentum, the way that I use slow stochastics. It is free because I want to introduce you to the method that I teach with. I'm almost through with my full charting course. I worked all weekend. I don't know if I've got 4 or 5 chapters, if that, left to finish. So I'm basically done. We'll start putting it together now. To get this free course, go to iraepstein.com under free offers. Move your cursor up here and away you go. And as I get closer to releasing the full charting course, I'll make certain you all know about it. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great trading day. I'll catch up with you tonight.